Black Diamond 2-drum hardcovers are a sturdy, eco-friendly solution for the storage of 55-gallon drums. The roll-top doors are accessible from both sides, providing quick and easy access to the containment area. With a large opening, continued dispensing from funnels and other equipment provides convenience and improves workflow. The Black Diamond spill pallet base collects drips, leaks, and spills in the fully compliant sump, while the removable grates provide access to spilled liquids. 2-drum hardcovers are lockable to secure contents, and the polyethylene construction is both weatherproof and chemically resistant. All Black Diamond products are manufactured from recycled resins, providing an eco-friendly option for your spill containment needs. For efficient shipping, hardcovers arrive knocked down, and assembly is easily completed within minutes. For a long-term solution to your indoor and outdoor containment needs, choose the Black Diamond 2-drum hardcover.